Hey guys, welcome to the channel today. Today is an exciting day. Today is one that I'm a little bit nervous, to be honest, guys. We have been doing this homesteading, off-grid living adventure for 10 years now. We have done cash for everything, and sometimes that means that we have gone without. One of the things that we have gone without has been water on our property. And today we are getting a well drilled. Praise the Lord. This is an exciting day, but it's also very nerve-wracking because we have a budget to work with. And this has been like our 10 years of hard work, been able to come up with this cash for this build. And it's a pretty modest budget. To be able to drill the well is so exciting, but it can be something that is either we've got water and that's it. We're just praying that we can get this well not too deep. We've got a chance of it. We've got the neighbor over here that has their well at 35 feet, and then we've got a neighbor over there that's got theirs at 400. So we are just praying that the Lord will bless us with a shallow well and not completely take up a huge part of our budget for our build. So today we are drilling, which is exciting but nerve-wracking. So come along, guys, let's see what happens today.
right now the well is at about 68 feet and we are into solid bedrock. They're changing out the casing and drilling directly into the bedrock versus putting more casing down in. As of right now, we haven't hit any water. We'll drill through the bedrock in hopes to hit a vein of water that's coming in and then fills that hole. And depending on how much water is coming in, how deep it is going to dictate how many gallons a minute well producing we have. So as of right now, we're just drilling and waiting for a little water to come through the pipe.